Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss a confusing and very important topic, that is atomic mass unit, which always confuse the students. So today we will discuss AMU or atomic mass unit. So what the means, or what is actually the AMU? So it is the quantity or amount of 1/12 of carbon 12. Mean to say, this is the amount or quantity of 12 part of the carbon 12. Suppose we have a carbon atom and we will divide this carbon atom into equal 12 parts. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, and these 12 parts are equal to each other. And in these parts, if we take any part, this part is called 1/12 of carbon 12. Any part in this carbon atom is called 1/12 of the carbon 12, and the amount of any part of this carbon 12 is called the atomic mass unit or AMU, and it is the unit of for atomic mass for all the elements. Now we will take a relationship between AMU and gram. As we know that 1 mole of any substance or 1 mole of carbon atom have 12 grams, and the quantity of 1 mole is, we know that 1 mole of carbon atom contain how many number of atoms? That is 6.023 multiplied 10 raised to power 23 atoms. We know that mass of 1 mole of carbon, that is 12 gram. If we have the mass of 1 mole of carbon is 12 gram, then how much mass of 1 atom of carbon? That is, we can calculate the mass of 1 atom of carbon. We divide its molar mass, that is 12, that is atomic, we divide its atomic mass, that is 12, and we divide their number of moles, we divide their Avogadro's number, that is 6.023 multiplied 10 raised to power 23. These are actually the Avogadro's number. which are present in 1 mole of any substance or carbon atom. So after dividing this, we get the quantity of 1 atom of carbon. That is 1 atom of carbon contain mass, that is 1.99 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 23 gram. So this is the amount or quantity for 1 atom of carbon. This is the amount or quantity for 1 mole of carbon. This is the amount of quantity of 1 atom of carbon. We know the mass of 1 carbon atom, that we have already calculated 1.99 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 23. So this is the mass of 1 atom of carbon. Now we calculate the mass of 1/12 of the carbon 12. 1/12 of carbon 12, that will be equal to, we divide the mass of 1 atom of carbon, that is 1.99 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 23 divided by their atomic mass, the mass of 1 mole of carbon 12, that is 12, and we will get the mass, that is 0.167 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 23. So this is the mass of 1/12 of carbon 12, or this is the mass of 1 AMU. We convert this mass into, as when we move on the right one step on the right side, we will get the mass 1.67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, and when we convert this gram into kilogram, we will get the mass 1.67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. So this is the mass of 1 mu. So 1 AMU equal to 1.67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. This is the mass for 1 mu, means the 12th part of the carbon 12. This is the mass of 1 carbon atom, and this 12 is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom. So we can write it as mass of 1 mole is 12 gram. Mass of 1 atom of carbon, 1 carbon atom, that will be 1.99 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 23 gram, and mass of 1 AMU, that is 67 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. One oxygen atom have mass 16 AMU or 16 gram, that is 16 AMU. It's mean one atom of carbon. 16 AMU equal to 1 atom of oxygen. Similarly, 23 AMU equal to 1 atom of sodium. That's for all today, the learner. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.